Hey, what's up, you guys? I'm sorry my other video got off. I don't know why it's been acting real stupid. But before I get this video started, you already know. And I just got to finishing a mission, but now I might have to start all over, which is kind of crappy. But version, fix your game. I mean, fix your app. Fix your app. If I would suggest this to my subscribers and my viewers, so I'll be mad at myself because I did that there kind of real lately. I didn't fix our app. I'm telling y'all, like Gun Mayhem's gonna end up like one of the sparks and be like, "Hey son, we need you in this video, son." I'm gonna be like, "Hey son, I don't know about that, son." You know what I'm saying, son? But let's get this to it. Let's get to it. Oh wait, no, this is another. No, it's not. Cause yeah, no, shoot after gun. You gotta go after this T-Rex. You're not interfering with that. Got him. Oops. Ninja thought he was slick. Like a wick. Dang, homie, chill. Oops. Shit. Oops. That's right. Oh, I should have shot homie. Give me. Give me that. Forget it, bro. What's best with it? You ain't tough. Oh. Let's get it, man. I'm good. We good. We all good. Let's go, man. I'll think about that later. Hey. Suburb. I, we almost there to the bus. Oh my god. We so close to the bus. But that bus ain't gonna be like, nah, bro, I'm with you. I don't wanna deal with you, dog. Hey, dog. Bro, dog. Like, bro, which one you trying to say? Bro is dog? Or dog is bro? Oh, I like how you start off with that. That's real cute, buddy. Too close. Thank you. What? What is this? Oh, Susie said that too. I ended up shot him. Okay, you gotta be extra careful now. I need to chill out that. Oh, that was close. Why do we gotta do so much jumping? Hey, y'all need to chill with that crazy shit, bro. These crackheads is quick. Oh, hey, y'all better chill out with that. Hey, I'm just here to talk to your little T-Rex friend, and that's it. Alright? I'm not trying to die. That's crazy. Let's go, man. Let's get it, man. Alright, but now, this is the end of the video, you guys. I love y'all. Y'all help me out with a couple of followers and a couple of subscribers. I already know. Have a God bless day. Good looks. Bye.